welcome to Amazing Knowledge. In previous video we saw how to create profile by using profile command present in the Sketcher. Guys, today we will see editing and modifying sketches. Sketcher Workbench provides us to draw different types of sketches in CATIA. In addition of drawing different sketches, it also provides us to edit these shapes. User can perform following activities for editing and modifying sketches: trimming, quick trimming, extending, cornering, chamfering, mirroring, rotating and scaling. So let's start. So first we will see trimming. Trim tool help us to remove unwanted sections or portions of sketches. So let's see. So I draw here two circles and use trim. Look. Here. By using quick trim, quick trim, we only trim the selected portion like this. Okay. So there is a difference between trim and quick trim. By using quick trim, we only trim the selected portion. So next command is extending. So let's see. I draw here two lines. By using trim option, I can extend it and trim it. Okay, but by using quick trim option, I cannot extend it further. Trim it. So next command is cornering. To create smooth corner at the intersection of two lines, you use this command. So let's see. First I trim these two lines and create a corner, and then use corner command. Like this, you can create a corner, and if you want to change this radius, simply double click on it, change dimension. So the next command is chamfering. CATIA also provides us an option to create chamfer command. So let's see. I create here two lines, intersecting lines, and when I use chamfer command, it looks like this. You can change dimension by double clicking. Here suppose I want 40 angle. Here I want 80. Next command will be mirroring. Mirroring operation is done by using mirror option. So let's see. I want to mirror this by using mirror command. First I have to select all this, and then use mirror command. With the help of this axis, it automatically mirrors the sketch you want. Second one is symmetry. symmetry. There is a difference between mirror and symmetry command. In mirror, you can draw sketch on both sides of axis, but by using symmetry, you can draw sketch on one side of axis. Okay. So let's see symmetry command. I'll draw here one rectangle. Suppose I want to symmetry this. So then I select symmetry command and axis. Look, either this side or this side, left side or right side. Okay. So guys, next command will be rotating. We can use rotating option to rotate the sketch. So let's see. By using this line, by using this line and this center point, I will rotate my sketch. First select rotational definition, means rotate command. Select circle, then select center point, select line and simply rotate. Option is scaling. CATIA provide the scale option to scale existing sketches. By using scale, we can compress and expand sketches in either vertical or horizontal direction. You also scale an entire sketch by resizing dimension. So let's see. Here I draw one rectangle. Suppose I want to use scale command, then simply select point where you want to scale it and put dimension. Suppose I put here half, means 0.5. Then automatically the rectangle come, that is half of the previous rectangle. Suppose if you want to create rectangle, by using double dimension, then put here 2. In this way we can use scale command. In this way we saw all command present in toolbar, the command bar toolbar. You can access this command in menu bar also. Look, insert profile, and then you can access profile, all command present in profile and all command present in operation. Before ending this session, I want to explain you some more points. So let's start. These all commands present here we call menu bar. This is toolbar. The tree appear in CATIA window, we call it specification tree, and the planes present in this middle we call it default planes. Compass present here we call 3D compass, and the axis in the bottom we call geometry axis.